This shit fire, bro.
Came out the bottom, I count a whole lot of young gonna worth millions of dollars. I asked out the charm, my lip demolished. Told them man they can't steal my shine. She linger, she mine, I'll wine and dine. Most of them man they eye your body not its spot. Your body not its price. No darling.
This one is greedy still. This is greedy still. The twin thing is greedy still. The twin thing. You see these two right here? That combo is there. The orange. Man. Oh, right. Oh God, why you take so long, man?
What do you mean, bro?
You got to on the end, bro. Have me in the hard shoulder, bro. I ain't got PPF.
I didn't see no problem.
Again, man. I'm driving so slow, man. I know you can push it a bit more, man. Come on, man. Oh, that's a suspect right there. Boy, it's a Saturday night. It's how we get down. Say something to the cameras, bro.
I'm not a camera guy.
Nah, I can't tell, man. What you saying, man, bro? How are you, man? What did you bring? Oh, sir.
Yeah, what about you?
Nah, I drove still, bro. Cut up, fam. Crazy stuff. Chelsea.
I see you.
Yeah.
I think I see you.
Lightly, man. Bro, stop talking about these BMWs, bro. Mercedes boys, bro. Come on now.
You know BMW's on top.
No, bro. I might have to start fucking with you, bro. Yeah. I might, cause you're just moving mad, bro. You're not a true Mercedes. You're not a true Mercedes guy, bro. Why did you buy it, bro? You should have just got that, bro.
Now we know, innit? Now we know.
I swear down, watch. I'ma smoke you one day. I'll smoke you now, actually. To be fair.
You got 100 brake, bro. Allow it.
Say that. Hold that, innit?
There it is. Porsche, yeah.
Was he cutty?
Yeah.
Chai. Another Crash Connect.
What's Crash Connect?
I don't know, bro. Yeah, man. Ears are gonna burst.
Yo, where you at?
Crash Connect, bro. What type of promo is this, bro? I swear down, that's not safe, bro. Mother, that's not safe. Bro, I'm feeling it in my spine. Insane.
No. I wasn't here. What you saying, man?
David, it's too much, bro.
Oh, man. Hey, you recording?
Yeah.
Yes, my people. We're live, active, shut down. Bare girls, bare man, and bare whips, man. This one, pause. Pause on the bare side, though, man. But separately, though, that's illegal.
That's illegal. It's
I don't even feel cold anymore. I feel warm.
fucking illegal, bro.
Yo, it's nuts.
It's nuts, bro.
Shut down.
Let them know, bro. What we do, bro?
Come see Joe.
Where's Joe?
You're over there. Come on.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Fucking hell, bro. Everyone's outside on that, bro. On the vlogging P, bro. Naturally. Run, bro. Vlogging. The vlogging P, bro. Listen, man, bro. How are you, man? Why it take so long, bro? 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 Come. How you look? No way you came, No way you came, Where you came from, man? Are you got your car back? Fuck, man! Look what the guy's down, man. Fucking hell! The man done pulled up, man. Shit! You man, I've never been to allegations, bro. Fucking hell! Well, how long did you take to get here, bro? An hour. You should have came at the start, bro. Shit. Exclusive joints, YLG, let him know, bro. Yeah? Mandem's Car Club, personal things. The Mandem's Car Club. YLG, let him fucking know. Join the cut, man. Fucking hell. On that, lads, naturally, man. Fucking hell. S League one that. They got to me. Yeah. Nah, don't. I was with this.
Say a word.
I can't keep up.
Nah, you can't keep that.
Yeah, it was like.
Wait, whose is this?
Ads in it.
Ads is it?
Okay, proper stuff, man. The guy was just moving.
Am I driving? A bus.
Yo, is this stop? Nah. Did I race you? Yeah. You not stop? I slowed down. You not stop there?
That was you, man, innit? 3 beats, isn't it?
Yeah. Is that you? How much Yo, change your map. You got a kill map on. You think? Yeah. Velocity Road. They blew up this guy from where I'm from. He blew up. I don't know if you've seen it on Nowhere Trader. 820 brake M3. But yeah, he got blown, his engine got blown out. Velocity.
You know Tom Ridley, I was gonna go to him first.
Go pure. I'm going there.
Wait, is that stop?
But have you ran it with Think? Have you ran it with Ahmed?
Yeah, and you got smoked.
Got smoked? You're lying.
But he's on custom, man. I'm on stock, man.
What makes Ahmed ones like so fast? Like,
Because basically his tune is made for his car. Mine's for every M5 basically. So mine's like basically less power than what it should be.
oh, so are you trying to go pure so they can make a custom?
Yeah. I'll be on around like.
Your engine won't blow up
860.
though.
No. They're safe maps. So they do. It could be 900, but they do below.
Are you gonna do what ethanol? Like an ethanol now?
I don't need that.
Ethanol.
I'm gonna go hybrid turbos though.
Team will do. I'll be real. Yeah.
Crazy.
So then when you do that, you'll definitely.
Yeah.
Does it feel like a boat when you're driving?
Depends what you consider a boat. Turning, yeah, it feels like a boat, but like
Straight
not
line
as
is.
boaty as like a new M5, like a GT.
When it was cutting, it just felt like a missile.
Nah, yeah, when I saw it, I was like,
Oh, GLC.
Oh, I see now.
Try it.
what, is that your turn?
Yeah.
I went like one.
Yeah.
How much is the GLC position?
209.
What's it, stock?
Yeah, stock.
AMG or no?
Normal, bro. 250. Obviously, you got the same engine as the A35 in it, but
Yeah, it's just heavier.
it's just heavier, yeah. And it's detuned. But I'm gonna stage run it though.
Yeah.
We'll push like 260. I'll be able to keep up with these, man.
260.
Yeah.
That's cheesy, I tell you.
Yeah. feds about. Everyone's quiet. Yeah, man. We're just gonna get done for antisocial behavior. Yeah, man. Oh shit, this thing about to down. I'm gonna sign off early. I'm 5% on my digi. But you never see Bear Man so quiet, fam. Nah, trying, man. Okay, though. Facts, bro. Literally, bro. Okay, no, bro. Man, these men are pioneer races right now. These men are pioneer races, and it's like, right. Fucking hell. So I can't race anymore, I ain't pushing no power. I ain't pushing no power. Some nice cars though. GTI, but I think this orange thing probably my favorite tonight. Just for tonight. But this thing. This thing is nice. This thing is mad nice. Proper. And this is not too bad as well. Oh, that's a clean.